Hey, me know say I should know what me a talking about. Me I say me not interested in the man. Me I say oh you finna poop. Me no want you. You're too fake. Me no want
you. You and the man a fight over mirror space.
You know how the thing go, brother. Me can't. That's why me like my man them rough, brother. Them for rough. Them for look like I'm. Yo, brother. Ashley ever cuss me and say me there be an ugly man, but I just saw. Me just attracted to what is beyond the face, big and serious. Like me go straight for personality. You could have ugly little more. You see when they treat me good. I have a nice personality. And nobody is ugly to me. You know, but me, you know, people even talk about, oh, actually I thought, oh, yo, my everybody is so ugly, man. Yeah, nobody's ugly to me. Like, my friend them can tell her that. Man, I think about him something. Like, even my son, me put him in line straight and say, yo, everybody is beautiful in their own way. But if you're not poop, I can't deal with you. I want to see the fumes, brother. I see it, brother. I want to know how I deal with, brother, inside and out, brother. I want to know you big and serious. Yeah, I feel comfortable. I'm not hide my poop. I'm going to tell you this straight now, right now. See, she asked me for the interview, say, oh, I'm not the man. I say, I'm not hide nothing about myself. You can see me rough, you can see me cute, you can see me old, you can see me, I just so. I'm not hide nothing, no, I stay myself.
Oh, that's so cute.
So, any man or out there and want me, just try no say. Nah, I'm gonna deal with the stush something and the bougie something. Yeah, me you're supposed to can go out. And me I take out my spoon and you know feel now.
It's so disgusting. And I feel like a joke.
Nah, really. I mean, on certain occasions, I'll try to behave, but really and truly, when I did a fuck something. That give me too much work.
Especially when I can't be fine, right?
Especially when I'm hungry. Stop on that, brother. When I'm hungry, me can't do the fuck. Cause too much rice I drop off and I go between the farm. I can't bother with it. I need everything. I need. Hey, when you eat with the fuck, you know, you work out your hand, you know. Nobody can tell me now you have to go down and come up, go down and come up, go down and come up. I can't deal with it. Spoon come like a shovel. Yeah, man. Put it in. I can't. Big and serious. Shovel me eat with straight. Tablespoon. Tablespoon, not teaspoon. Tablespoon. Now, but I come feel like say, oh, yeah, come talk to Shensi and Shensi a pretty girl and this and that. I'm out there. Get where I come from. Ghetto. The ghetto. Nah. I miss y'all though. You see how Ashley them on the live I did? Yeah. I choose you know what me I talk about, you know? I true man. People, man, uno for poop, man. Uno for behave, uno for poop.
Man, I going to DNC fake. And that's just that.
Man, when no poop fake. I don't me try to show you, brother, man, when no poop fake. Or if you no poop. Me not like that. Me not like it.
I like it.
Me not like it. Nah.
I feel like my life delayed.
You on live?
I'm watching you.
God will bless you. With that man. Listen, anytime God ready to bless me with a significant other, and that's the time you will see me with somebody. Because I'm telling you, I'm not rush for that because enough people out here, them fake. Yeah. You don't know if them like me for me. You don't know if them have my best interest at heart. If them genuinely like if something ever happen to me. And second of all, I can't do with no man if my day road and him now wake up and ask if I reach him safe. Nope. Something happen to me there road. Crash, God forbid, I go crash. Somebody rob me, something. And I can't even call my man because he must behave. Behave. Just be and live your life, yeah, mama. That me do for sure. No, I'm telling them something serious. Me fight. Ladies, you have to look in on yourself and choose some man who know say. You see me them really have on the back. Now bother ignore the red flag them. Because as women, you know, we love do that, you know. Ignore the red flag, brother, and not do it. Come here, I tell you. It's just, you just end up waste your own time. Don't ignore it. If you know say it's something that you can live with and you can even try for change, okay, fine. But if you know say, you know what about me too?
Me not change, man.
I say no, nobody's perfect. So of course they can work on each other. Sometimes me might have some bad traits and my man can actually tell me, say, yo, you know, say enough to do this, whatever. Like, what do you mean? Did I have one ex? And me not really do the, like, look out for people and just take initiative, separate and apart from, you know, like a significant other, a family member or something. Like, just go out of your way and just, you know, make sure say somebody good. Like, we deal with them like a link. So, you know, a link, them there far out of one part and you just hit them up whenever already. Sometimes, you know, that kind of, it actually changed me when it comes on to that. I'm actually like that change. So you have to, you know, sometimes you have to work with your partner or something, but you know what about me? The man them are full of themselves. Yo. And I freeze my life freeze, you know. I just stay and I come here and say where them come from. I just have a look over there, so brother. I just have a how you full of yourself more than me? No, sir. I don't like it. Nah. Would you date a poor man? You know, so I never try that still. Pockets, well, nowadays it's like, I don't know. I feel like if I'm there with a poor man, matter of fact, yeah, I tried that before. Not say poor, but I have more than what the person had. Right? I'm realize it's just like a leniency thing. And I don't like to see when man a lean per woman. That just look like a pussy to me. Like a big one. You get me? That just look like nah, me not like that. But I've been in that situation before. Not when I had money, but I had enough more than the person. And it was just like a leniency thing. So I don't think I'll go back to that. Because then, more my man came up on a date and him not have it. More go out and something you can't come and never know it's like ice cream. Nah. And me I forgot spend, you know. All the time. Bear in mind. I want travel. Go to one place. And me have to use my own money, plan my own surprise trip. That doesn't sound right. That sound right, Benny.
Yeah, surprise him.
Yeah. All the time, 24/7, and a 50-50 that, you know. A 50-50 more happy, you know.
No man, that's 75.
Christmas a come. My man I use my money, buy my gift. I better be dead myself, yeah, man. Being all serious.
Girl,
I better be dead myself.
The allowance him get from him, save little from it.
I mind see me, you know. You really sit down and think about it. I mind, you know.
I Raj alone for do that.
But you see, I'll tell Raj say, yo, I'm have to work for him own money. Raj work yesterday, I'm a pay Raj. Yeah, for sure you say. Me I treat my son, me I grow my son now and way. Yo, him not go do that leniency something. Me tell Raj big and straight, say, yo, before you reach 20, you have to out. Set the things in motion. I'm not gonna idiot. Set the things in motion. Right? More you go out there, feel life, experience. Right? Make your own decisions. Learn from your experiences. I tell myself somebody I move out of my mother yard before I reach 20. No, so said, so done. Big and serious. You have to set goals in life. Really and truly. That's how you even discipline yourself. You have to set goals for yourself and push for achieve them. And after you achieve that goal, you set the next one. I saw life nice, you know. You can't just sit down and say so. Show what you saw. Nah. You have to set goals, man. It's not about money, moms. Of course, it's not about money, but there's a but. Always remember that. Whichever way you want to take it, your business is that, but there's a but.
People always say that.
As me say, as a woman, we do everything for myself. Sometimes I want to feel relaxed. I work hard. Everybody know that. Sometimes I want to feel relaxed and put up my foot. You know, go somewhere go cool out. My man can at least do that for me. You get me? No. I work too hard for I go take up something else for me. No.
It's like another child.
Yeah, really and truly, because me a woman, you know, it's not like say we're teenagers, you know. If we're teenagers, fine. We're teen, we live life. But I'm a woman, I have responsibilities. What you mean? Excuse me? Right. It's always about money. Big and serious. No. If you're a teen, that's fine. But I'm a woman. I'm a big woman. I'm a have my pitney. I can't mind my pitney and go mind the next. No. Sorry. Nope. I'm a grown ass woman. I'm going to work hard. I want someone to work hard for me. I want to. I don't want a man that depend on me. I don't have one meal that depend on me already. I'm not taking nobody else that depend on me. No.
So I say, mean man see me talk about idea. Me say I wear. Come by you too. But you're not spending no money for my uncle. Can't take a girl for butu, right? But you want dogo, see where your body look.
Yo, if you never know what she is.
Oh my god.
Nah, I'm done. My business when nobody wants to, because at the end of the day, you don't know me, I'm going to talk my mind. I'm not business. Like, I'm my mouth, I'm my life, and you set how you want to live your life. People who can tell you, say, it's not all about this. If it's all about it for you, then it's all about it for you. Money is not all about it for me. I have my own money. I work for my own money. So if me want to set a standard for say, yo, me no want a man we can't make me allowed for, like, we can't allow me to put up my foot, then I'm my standard that I'm going to stick by it and work very hard. Nobody can tell me how to live my life. I know what I want. And everything I want, I work towards it. I want to say I have my own money. I say I want to have my own money. I work and get my own money. Simple. Because I love 50-50 relationship. That me love. I'm a Libra. 50-50. Balance skills.
I like 80-20.
No, man, I don't mind 50-50. I love 50-50. My man for spoil me, I'm going to spoil that Batman. Yeah. Treat me good, treat you good. Sometimes I'll treat you better. As long as you make me happy. But if you give me shit, Penny.
Didn't get shit. Didn't get what it don't get. Guys, you don't know, but this is the pettiest person in Jamaica. Listen, Petty Betty has nothing on her. Petty, bad. She not even do it on purpose sometimes. So any man out here want her, please prepare yourself mentally. It's a petty woman.
Remember my post yesterday, I'm telling them some hard for angle. Little I can't even angle myself.
Nobody can angle you.
Already I have a look on Benny and say, oh, you be friend with me.
I have to pray daily.
Yo, Raj, not no.
Oh,
Take over my life again.
Black Queen. Oh, love that.
You is. Bro, I can't even handle myself, my nigga. I cannot. Like, I am toxic. Toxic.
I look so comfortable in your bed.
My toxic bad. You're Ashley, but she need a strong man.
Oh, that's true.
Oh my god. Eyelashes name. Oh, this one is baby girl. It's baby girl. See? Guys, they're almost sold out, like no joke. Y'all need to go order. Even though, you know, still have a restock and whatever, but yeah. Go order right now. You need a man when I want you for what you have, but want you for the kind of person you be. Exactly. Like, how do I know that though? I don't know that. I will never know that right now. That's the thing. It's like when you take up like a normal person, it's like you don't even know if them genuine. You don't even know that if me even send him a sexy picture, I'm gonna take it to him friend him. Because him when people say, yo, celebrity dates celebrity, I can understand like why. Them feel more comfortable doing that because, you know, there are other people that are out there looking for the same thing as you. So it's like easier to stick around where you know. You get me? Than if, you know, some people, you just don't know. You just don't know. You just don't know. Honestly. You have some fake people, you know. I mean, I say I deal with celebrity or nothing like that. Because one time, I was in airport. And I see this man look for me. What Ashley say?
Ashley said want a man.
Ashley said that?
Ashley said she wants a man.
Trouble that, you know, people actually want a man.
OMG.
Anyway, so I was in the airport, right? And this man was working like security. The blue uniform, not really security, it's like checkpoint. And I go through checkpoint. I said, I see the man look for me now. I say, probably a picture him once, you know. So I walk off now and everything now. I'm going to one store because I look for one I look for an accessory at the time. Like I think it was a charger or USB or some headphones, some. And I look over to my side. I'm see the man again, you know. And I say, what the man do? Follow me. So till I come back out of the store, you know. I come out of the store because I say, no, something like this. And actually, me alone did it at the time because Black Boy them did gone somewhere. Black Boy and Slider they gone. I don't know. Somewhere else, I feel food them they go get. But I'm gone in the store. And I say, look, I see the man. I know like when you stand up there and you just hear like them are trying to make it obvious, but you know what it's obvious, like that feeling there. You stand up right there, and you see the eyeball from me right there, and you look over there, and catch you, and then you look away. Like you're well, that's right? I'm going to sit down with Black Boy them now. Now the man that I get me see, the man that come now, you know. Oh, sorry, my hand was over the speaker. So, when I hear me now, do I hear me now?
Mm-hmm.
When I hear me now?
Let me see my ear.
Oh, sorry, my hand was over the speaker.
Yeah, my ear.
Well, you are here. So as I say, wait, them still say them can't hear.
Because the comments delayed. Them said repeat everything. Somebody say it.
Y'all hear me now?
See,
Okay. So, I come out of the store now, right? I'll never forget this day. I got my terminal and I sit down with Black Boy them. Only to see the man come back. Right? I sit down between Black Boy and Slider. Right? So, the man come there and he was shake, you know. When I say shake, you know. Not even earthquake now, shake like that man, you know. Shake like, so me I say, probably I wanted to shine young them, you know them way they like, I understand, cool. So what did they and think now when him come back now? Nah. I soon call you, Papa. I soon call you.
Mommy, can I tell you something?
Me know, man. You always want to tell me something.
Please say something first.
I'm on the phone.
I'm gonna be quiet.
No. Raj, I'm going to come play with you. You have to go outside first.
Hey, there you go. I'm out now.
Close the door. Close the door.
Raj, I soon come after live. I soon come. I promise. We're gonna make some videos together and stuff.
Oh my god.
Now what?
Jeez. Alright, I'm gonna go to you.
So yeah, the man a shake
Come.
and everything. Zine. So me I say, no sir. Oh, I'm tell him not ask for a picture all now, you know. It's like him come there and you know Black Boy them have them face. Them have them facial expression on in a man. So them a give him that tough look there, you know. You know Black Boy them face look already, you know. Well screw up, you know, when them ready, you know. And I say, no sir. I want to him when him ask him my name. I'm telling him my name Shensia. So him I say, oh that's a nice name and whatever. And oh, I never want offend nobody because I don't know if you're with any of these guys and blah blah blah. Me I say, it weird no can slide at them. I say, yo, that you take too long, you know. So me I said, no, I want to hear what I said because the fact that him a shake and him still come there with so much confidence, me did love that. At the same time, I say you don't know me. Him say, no. I say, you're not there on Instagram. You can't follow me, man. Him say, me not there on Instagram. I say, gee, subscribe. Who this Prince Charming? Nah. The man I know who me be. Him not know say me sing song. Right? Him not there on Instagram. Hey, me say, up to this day, I vex him never take the man number. And I will never forget the encounter because it was just so real. You get me? Like a long time when I feel something like that. The person don't know who me be, right? The fact say him see me with 2 man and him don't know if me there with none of them and him still walk me down from checkpoint come straight to my terminal, right? And ask and still have the confidence and you know the bravery for come to me and say, yo, whatever. Listen, it was crazy. Me I tell you, so the man no dip on earth, no live on earth. You know, one of them man that me getting up with, the ET type. Oh my god. But yeah, and he was so genuine too. Because me literally tell him, say yo, I'm for check out my music after that and all them. And then guess what now? If me forgot about that man, they know. I'm not gonna know if him still like me for me, you know. No sign. Probably get to him head and go say, yo, boy, try her again, you know, watch you know. Nah, ain't it. It's crazy. But I'm not in any rush to go in anything. Right, you know. I'm just go and watch Spice, you know. I'll try and be happy for all those out there and them lovey-dovey relationship. I mean, no feel no way. So, yeah. I mostly smell ever chat on live by myself without adding somebody. Only if I applaud me, because I normally do them something. I know people just sit down and stay upon themselves and chat.